I have this expenses sample data which I have written in this particular table or in this particular cells, and now what I want is I want to format this data to make it attractive, so that while reading this data or understanding this, we can easily identify the things. So to do so, firstly we will see this option named as format as table. For example, I click here and drag and select this particular data and I click on format as table. Here I got the many options, like for example, I want to make this data as in tabular form with some header and some styling, some background color and some table pattern like. So I choose any of them. For example, I click here and select this, and it is asking me for the range from where to where you want this to be formatted. So I click OK. When I click OK, you can see we got header and the styling of that particular layout like this. You can also change from here. I keep this as of now. Okay, I remove the filter from here. So this is how we can make it in a tabular form. Next, what I want is, you can see I have some expenses, some numbers, amount. For example, this is my mobile expense for January 2022, this is for Feb, and this is for March. I want to make it in a Indian currency. For to do so, I click on this particular icon and this drop down, and I would select English India, means the rupee symbol. When I click here, you can see now this is formatted as Indian rupees. Similar way, I want this total to be in rupees also. So I click here, click rupee. Same bottom, the final total. Next, I have the total percentage, which is nothing but I have written in the formula. We will see this later. So what I want is, you can see I have taken the percentages of this total, but these percentages are coming in a decimal values. First I want to take only up to 2 decimals. To do so, what I can do is I click on this decrease decimal and it is increased decimal. So I want to decrease the decimal. So I click here up to 2 values. Now you can see we have only 2 decimal values in total percentage. Next, what I want is, I want these to be in percentage. So I click on this particular icon, which is a percentage style. I click here and you can see it has converted now in percentages. Similarly, we can also give the commas, as you can see here, 5,700 means 5,700. You can do the comma separated values by selecting this and click on comma. You can see. So this is how we can use these options and format our data in a tabular form in more attractive way. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.